2022 Barletta 25-foot Lusso Tri-Toon. Really classy looking boat. I love the gate on this. It's got the doggy dock view gate, so the dogs can see out if you have one, and there's one at the side as well. It does have the new anchor storage in the front, so you don't have to put your anchor under the seats. Real nice soft touch vinyl. A lot of stitching in these seats. It's really classy. Armrests, seaweed flooring. Have a garbage can there. Dog dishes, glove box. Dual captain's chairs. Cell phone charging. Table. Really big ski locker. These seats are so comfortable. Rated for 14 passengers. Raised helm so you could see over the people in front of you. Simrad, Hertz stereo system. Look at all the touch buttons there. Electric bimini, does have a light. Does have the ultra lounger in the back. This flips back and forth, or you can lay it completely flat too if you want to lay down. And these pads here, the center one flips up to face the back, or you could flip the back one up to face the front if you want to sit facing the front. Safety chains back there, fender holders, gas fills in the center so you could pull up on either side, American flag, nice stainless ladder, nice and wide. Got storage back here too for your cooler. Holds the Yeti. Here's your Mercury 250 Verado V8. Big motor, lots of power. Come check this one out at SkipperBud's.